Real analysis is the first pure math course taken by students studying mathematics at the University of Liberia. The course has 5 chapters, which include Introduction to Set and Logical Symbols, True Functional Connectives or Prepositional Logic, Logical Proofs, Induction and Sequences, and Functions and Completeness. Let's quickly begin. Department of Mathematics, College of Science and Technology, University of Liberia. Capitol Hill Campus, Liberia. Math 302, Real Analysis, Course Guide. The prerequisite for this course is Math 301, which is Multivariable Calculus, and this is a 3-credit-hour course. Course Overview. This is a 1-semester course in real analysis intended for students majoring in mathematics and also students interested in graduate studies in mathematics. Some of the topics covered in this course are sets and logical symbols, true functional connectives or prepositional logic, logical proofs, inductions and sequences, and functions and completeness. Chapter 1. Introduction to Set and Logical Symbols. Under this chapter, you will study the definition of set operation. You will discuss De Morgan's law, quantifiers, impact of change of quantities, and order of quantities. In chapter 2, you will study true functional connectives or prepositional logic, where you learn some basic definitions. You discuss statements, true functional statement connectives. You talk about conjunction, disjunction, a statement connective that is not true function, negations on meaning of statements, the conditional, the non-true functional version of if-then, the true functional version of if-then, the biconditional, complex formulas, and truth tables for complex formulas. In chapter 3, you study logical proofs, where you do direct proofs, contrapositive proofs, proofs by contradiction, disproving statements, proof techniques applied to divisibility, real number properties, set equalities, and equivalent relations. In chapter 4, you study induction and sequences, and under induction, you will study the first principle of finite mathematical induction, the second principle of finite mathematical induction, and applications. Under sequences, you will study the definition of limits, convergence, monotone convergence theorem, and Bolzano convergence theorem. In chapter 5, you study functions and completeness. Under functions, you study injective functions, surjective functions, and bijective functions. You also study continuous functions with sequence definition and continuous functions with epsilon delta definition. Under completeness, you study greatest lower bounds, least upper bound, and Cauchy sequence. This course guide was compiled from the textbook Real Analysis, a first course, second edition, by Russell A. Gordon, Addison Wesley Higher Mathematics Series, 2001. And as always, if you do math, you can do anything.